Hello, in front of me I've got Honor 7X. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Pay. In the beginning enter Google Pay and tap blue button at the bottom of the screen. Now focus on loyalty, gift card and public transport. Select shop. Now you can scan your card or enter member ID. Next, you can select gift card, which is pretty similar to loyalty card because you have to select shop and enter details of your gift card. Last thing you can add is public transport. If you are able to find your public transport, select it. Now, you will be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. All of your cards will appear right here. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.